Hi, today we are going to see how to open the drain pump and how to clean the drain filter. First we have to open this lock, just pull and release, okay. Then this valve, we have to open anti-clockwise. Some water will be there, no clockwise, so anti-clockwise. Just pull. After pulling, just rinse with the running water tap, clean completely and clean this place like you have to clean this like this carefully. After cleaning, fix this and rotate clockwise, just hand tight, don't full tight, just hand tight and close this.